Hello everyone, I'm Daniel's son. This series of videos are for children who are learning English. It is very helpful for every child because it can lay a good foundation for your pronunciation. Therefore, you are welcome to read along with my series and don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Enjoy. First Little Readers, Gingerbread Boy by Liza Charlesworth. Let's make a gingerbread boy. Let's make a gingerbread boy. First, I put on 2 eyes. First, I put on 2 eyes. Then, I put on 1 nose. Then, I put on 1 nose. Then, I put on 1 mouth. Then, I put on 1 mouth. Then, I put on 4 buttons. Then, I put on 4 buttons. Then, I put on 2 ears. Then, I put on 2 ears. Hey, come back here. Hey, come back here.